Whether you want to send photos, videos, documents, or links, Nearby Share simplifies the process, eliminating the need for physical connections or internet access. As you watch this video, we encourage you to interact with us and fellow viewers through the comments section below. Feel free to share your thoughts, ask questions, or join in on the conversation. Search for Nearby Share Beta from your web browser. Open the website and click on Get Started with Beta. Click on the Setup file and wait for the installation to complete. Open Nearby Share Beta from Google, from the Windows search bar. Check if your Bluetooth is enabled. If yes, then your system is ready to share files. Tap on the Nearby Share icon to open the settings. You can set your device's visibility to all contacts, some contacts, or hidden depending on your preferences for sharing. Open the file or content you wish to share, such as a photo, video, or document. Nearby devices with Nearby Share enabled will be listed. Choose the recipient, and they will receive a notification to accept the file transfer. When someone attempts to share a file with you, through Nearby Share, you will receive a notification. Tap on the notification to accept the file. We appreciate your support, and look forward to providing you with more exciting and informative videos in the future.